Model: 2017 Ford Transit Custom 290L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps low-roof limited van. Lovely body kit. Body: grey, panel. Van mileage: 47,038 MOT. The 14th of December 2023. Engine: 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130 PSA. Transmission: 6-speed manual. Front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, engine is perfect, turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper,